Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Downtown Kingston is the historic heart of the city and one of the oldest urban areas in Ontario. Located along the shoreline of Lake Ontario, the neighborhood is known for its limestone buildings, waterfront parks, historic streets, and active harbor. The downtown area combines government buildings, restaurants, shops, museums, and residential streets in a compact district that attracts both residents and visitors throughout the year. Many of the buildings in this part of Kingston date back to the 1800s, giving the area a strong connection to the city's early history. One of the best-known landmarks in downtown Kingston is Kingston City Hall. Completed in 1844, City Hall was designed by architect George Brown and is considered one of the finest 19th century public buildings in Canada. The building features a large dome, limestone walls, and classical architectural details that reflect Kingston's importance during the early years of the province of Canada. When Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada from 1841 to 1844, the city became a centre of political activity in British North America. City Hall remains an active government building today and continues to host local events and public gatherings. The open square in front of the building often serves as a meeting place for festivals, markets, concerts, and winter skating. The area around City Hall is highly walkable, with many cafes, pubs, and small businesses operating in restored historic buildings. The streets nearby still follow much of the original layout established during the early colonial period. Just south of downtown is the Kingston Harbor, one of the city's most recognizable waterfront areas. Kingston Harbor sits where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River and near the entrance to the Rideau Canal system. Today, the harbor is a calm place, known for marinas, tour boats, sailboats, and waterfront parks. During the warmer months, the area becomes busy with visitors enjoying the shoreline, patios, and ferry traffic heading toward Wolfe Island. The harbor also offers views of Fort Henry, the large military fort built in the 1830s to help defend the Rideau Canal and Kingston's naval facilities. Fort Henry is now a major historic site and one of the city's most visited attractions. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people, with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base, Kingston, remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past. Thanks for watching!